In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a user license on Google Workspace. This process is straightforward and we'll get it all done in about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, we need to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in workspace.google.com. This is where all of the magic happens, and it's the starting point for administering all the Google apps within your organization. Now, once you're on the Google Workspace site, the next step is to click on the Admin Console. You'll typically find this option right at the center of your screen. The Admin Console is essentially the control center for managing your organization's Google services and users, so you'll likely find yourself here often if you handle user accounts regularly. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in using your business email. Make sure you enter the correct credentials because we need admin access to make the necessary changes. If you're already logged in as an admin, you should bypass this step and proceed directly to the admin functionalities available to you. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right of your screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear showcasing all the available apps. From this menu, locate and select the admin icon. Clicking this will give you direct access to the Google Admin Dashboard. Once in the Admin Dashboard, you need to go to the directory. You can easily find a link to the directory on this page. The directory is where you'll find information about all the users within your organization, along with their respective licenses. Once you're there, the next task is to click on Users. This section displays a comprehensive list of all users currently registered under your organization's account. Find the specific account profile of the user whose license you need to change. Click on their account profile to view detailed information about that user, including roles and licenses. This is the part where you can make specific adjustments as required. With the user profile open, locate the licenses section. This area displays the licenses currently assigned to the user in question. Click on it to access the settings and options available for altering their licenses. Lastly, you'll want to change the license according to your organization's needs. This involves selecting a new license from the available options listed within the licenses section. Once you've chosen the appropriate license for the user, ensure you save your changes to finalize the process. And there you have it, folks. In just a few clicks and adjustments, you've successfully changed a user's license in Google Workspace. This simple yet effective process ensures that all users have the correct privileges and services needed to perform their roles efficiently. Remember these steps the next time you need to make license adjustments, and thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.